So because it's really chilly outside today, we cannot go outside and do art, but we are gonna bring the nature into the house and we're gonna do art with nature. So we are having a basket here with some of nature things. Joseph, can you show what you have?
I have this bush, an evergreen bush, and
The evergreen.
And I have some of this.
Yeah, so what are you doing? So we are going to collect branches and leaves and make nature tools. So instead, if you don't have a brush, you can make a nature tool. And let's show a nature tool. For example, this can be your nature tool. Yes, or nature tool. And we're gonna go look for some flowers because Joseph wants to do a collage. So you can go ahead and collect a lot of things from outside and create a Yes, Joseph made a forest with one part is raining and one part is sunny. So once again, thank you so much for watching.